Okay, guys, so I want to talk about this here. Of course, the whole world here is trying to figure out, the whole crypto world is trying to figure out what Bitcoin is going to do. Now, if we look at this plain and simple, take away all the complications and trickery or whatever else, what do we have? What do we have? Right, we have a drop and we are forming a bear flag. Okay, that's what I'm seeing at this point. Can that turn bullish? It can, but we don't have the bullishness yet. This is still considered a bear flag. We can go anywhere to see bear flags. In smaller time frames, these were all bear flags. These were a bear flag, drop down. There was a bear flag here, drop down. This could be considered a bear flag here, and drop down. Right? In bull markets, what happens? Price moves up, bull flag, moves up, bull flag. Okay. In down markets, you get these bear flags. Okay. This was a little bit of a bear flag, but it's not really. You can see it's a large bull flag in a way. The down move was not really, the down move was within the bullish pattern, right? This is not the case. This is a bear flag. Now, okay, we do have a lot of liquidity here. I'm as bullish as anybody, but we have to look at this right. There is a lot of liquidity down here. Look at this move up, and all this liquidity really has not been taken. So, with that said, if Bitcoin comes up here and takes out the stop hunt, right? If Bitcoin bounces up here, takes the stop, right? We've seen this right here. Very similar situation on silver, right? We dropped off the highs. We dropped off the highs here. Then price formed a bear flag. It was a large bear flag, like what we're having on Bitcoin. If the liquidity is taken, just like here, and we drop back inside, we need to be short Bitcoin, okay? Because it might want to come down and take this liquidity. Look at this. This moved beautifully down. Where did it move down to? It took liquidity at the bottom of the range. Perfect. Absolutely flawless price action. Look at this. So that would imply, Bitcoin is going to come down here and take liquidity at the bottom of the range, right in here. Okay. Now, what happened after silver crashed, right? And that is a crash. That's $22 down to $10. It's over a 50% crash. That would be a 40% drop in Bitcoin and also into the red 200 moving average. Okay. Now, what happened afterwards in silver? Silver went parabolic. If Bitcoin drops into the red 200 moving average, we need to load boatloads of Bitcoin.